Let's look at this problem. Let P1 is equal to x plus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0, P2 is equal to x minus y plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0, P3 equal to 3x plus y plus 4z plus 7 is equal to 0. P3 planes. The distance of the line of intersection of the planes P1 equal to 0 and P2 equal to 0 from the plane P3 equal to 0 is. So, first we have to find line of intersection of planes. So, there are two planes like this. So, first plane is x plus y plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Second plane is x minus y plus 2z plus 1 is equal to 0. So, in order to find the line of intersection of planes, so we will assume the line as x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N. So, this line is this line which is present in this plane and this plane. So, dot product with the normal vector will give us 0. So, LMN are the DRs of the line dot the DRs of the normal to the plane minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, because this has to be bring to the right side, right, because the distance from origin should be positive always. So, from the second line, I mean second plane, element dot L comma M comma N dot minus 1 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, a vector is perpendicular to two vectors. So, element is along cross product of those two vectors. So, L dot I mean R bar dot A bar equal to 0, R bar dot B bar equal to 0. So, it means R bar is along the cross product of both the vectors. So, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 2. So, this is I into det minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus j into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus k into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So, this is I into 2 plus 1 minus j into this is 2 minus 1 plus k into this is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1, right. So, this is 3I minus j minus 2k. Okay, so this is the answer. So, if I do dot product with the minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, it should be 0. So, 3 minus 1 minus 2 dot minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 0 obviously. Again 3 minus 1 minus 2 dot minus 1 1 minus 2 is again minus 3 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, it's 0. So, your answer is correct. So, these are DRs of the line. So, I want a point on the plane. So, point on the plane which contains this line. So, I have to get this. So, but this point x1 y1 z1 is belonging to both the planes. So, x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and x1 minus y1 plus 2 z1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So, I have two, I mean 3 unknowns but 2 equations, right. So, in order to solve this, what I will do is I will make y1 is equal to 0, y1 equal to 0. So, x1 plus z1 plus 1 is equal to 0, x1 plus 2 z1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So, from this we can say that z1 is equal to 0, x1 equal to minus 1. So, the point on the line is minus 1 0 0 0. So, equation of line of intersection of planes is x minus of minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 0 by 0 is equal to z minus 0 by minus 2, sorry here minus 1. So, 3 minus 1 minus 2, right. So, this is the line of intersection of both the planes. So, now we have the third plane. The third plane is 3x plus y plus 4z plus 7 is equal to 0. See, now let us say the plane is like this and the line is intersecting the plane or may not intersect the plane. First we will see whether it will intersect the plane or not. So, we will consider a general point on the plane, I mean line. So, the general point on the line is, so equated to, will equated to lambda and the general point will be 3 lambda minus 1 minus lambda minus 2 lambda, right. So, I have to substitute this in the plane equation. So, if I substitute in the plane equation 3 into 3 lambda minus 1 plus minus lambda plus 4 into minus 2 lambda plus 7. So is equal to 0. So it is, what is this? This is 9 lambda minus 3 minus lambda minus 8 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. So it means 4 is equal to 0. So this is not possible. So the line and the plane are not intersecting each other. The line and the plane are not intersecting each other. So first, now from this what we can say is the line and plane are not intersecting each other. Okay, and then now what we do is we'll see the drs of the normal to the plane. Drs of the normal to the plane. So drs of normal to the plane are minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, and drs of the line are 3, minus 1, minus 2. So do dot product with these two. So if I do dot product, 3 minus 1 minus 2 dot minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So this is minus 9 plus 1 plus 8. So this is 0. So both of them are perpendicular to each other. So it means the line is parallel to the plane. So the line is parallel to the plane. So the distance is nothing but only the perpendicular distance, right? So the distance is nothing but the perpendicular distance. So the point on the line is minus 1, 0, 0 is a point on the line. So I have to find the perpendicular distance. So distance is equal to, so 3 into minus 1 plus 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 7 by root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 4 square. So this is minus 3 plus 7 by root 9 plus 1 plus 16. So this is 4 by root 26 units. So the distance between the line of intersection of the two planes and the required plane is 4 by root 26 units.